Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Marquise Meda here, back at the Orlando Science Center. And today I'm joined by Mark, and we're talking about the silent predators of the night. These are burrowing owls.
Correct. These are burrowing owls. We have two burrowing owls here. We have Capone and Annie. They are both ambassador animals for their species here at the Orlando Science Center. So we use them so we can talk about their conservation and where they're found in the world and how they live. So they are found in Florida, but mostly they're found on the western United States.
So Mark, burrowing owls, they have a specific diet, right? What do they like to eat exactly?
Well, they are, like you said, the silent predators of the night. So they do have silent flight. So they are able to sneak up on any of their prey items. So they are able to catch mice is a big part of their diet. And then they also do eat various forms of insects.
Oh, we got a couple over here. What do we got over here?
So we do have a horned worm, which is trying to crawl out of his container here. And then we also have some super worms. So these are these are some of the foods that we do give them here at the Science Center. They also, like I said, we do give them mice as well. So burrowing owls do nest in the ground, hence their name, burrowing owls. So they will tunnel into the ground. They can lay up to 12 eggs into one of these tunnels. Very interesting about this species is the young mimic rattlesnake sounds to keep predators away.
So what specifically about burrowing owls makes them fit into Spooky Science Month?
Well, basically it's owls in general. Owls are known to be, creatures of the night, and that's associated with Halloween. It goes back to Celtic and even Roman lore. So here at the Life Exhibit, the Orlando Science Center, we'll be doing Spooky Science Weekend on October 19th and 20th. And then we'll also be doing spooky stuff all month long.
You guys definitely got to check it out here at the Orlando Science Center as we're celebrating Spooky Science Month all month long.